Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called My True Essence from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. My true essence. Ego knocks on my door sometimes, asking me to forget what's rightfully mine. I accept the ego's attempt is simply my humanistic self again. I accept my humanistic self with loving eyes and focus on the essence of who I truly am. And when I focus on myself and the divine, I am reminded of my true purpose and potential of who I can be. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. When I stopped listening to my ego, well, I shouldn't say that, sometimes it creeps in. And you have to just focus on bringing your vibrations back down. This is what I do. I bring my vibrations back down and just try to get everything out of my head. Just think of nothing and focus on nothing and just bring it back down. Because the ego's strong. The ego's so strong. It wants to take over, and I feel like it doesn't want you to be calm and just wants you to keep vibrating a high frequency and always be on high alert. It's not a good way to live, I believe. It's not through love. Ego is not through love, I believe. I believe just throw all those negativity thoughts away. It's hard at first to get those vibrations down because they keep creeping in, and then just throw it out. Keep going again, and it'll come back in. Throw it out. Something from 25 years ago will come in your head, and wow, why'd you do that? Or whatever it is. Just get it out. Let it feel it. That's the thing, I believe you gotta feel it. Let it feel, and then let it go. Realize it's the ego doing it, and then just let it go. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.